Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Mother of Dragons outfit on Dress to Impress. So I am doing this outfit because I feel like it's like the beach outfit. I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to color it this color, like the hair, toggle it to half front. And you do need VIP for this. I'm also going to get this dress in the fourth toggle in this pattern. Then I am going to go into VIP and I'm going to get this top and I'm going to color the first one that pattern and the second one this color 362B23. Then I did use a Roblox item. I used this one, but if you don't have it, you don't have to. I'm going to use this color again in the opaque toggle. Select this and then I'm going to get this and I'm going to color it this color again in matte as well, like that. Then I'm also going to get the Elsa dress here and I only need the skirt, so this one, and then in the second toggle, if you don't have this thingy-majiggy, I don't know what it's called, you can use the Elsa version of it. Then I'm just going to color it this color over there. And I think that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!